Hello everyone. Welcome to India Pulse News today. A powerful earthquake struck Southeast Asia, registering a magnitude of 7. The tremor occurred around lunchtime, with its epicenter located at a depth of 10 kilometers, 2 miles. The impact was felt across a wide area, particularly in Myanmar and Thailand. Key details include emergency declaration. Myanmar has declared a state of emergency in response to the quake, as authorities assess the damage and coordinate rescue efforts. Casualties and damage. Reports indicate that several people have lost their lives and significant structural damage has occurred, including the collapse of a 30-story skyscraper in Bangkok. Aftershocks. In addition to the main quake, a secondary tremor of 6.4 magnitude was recorded, further complicating rescue operations and trapping construction workers under debris in Bangkok. As the situation develops, both countries are mobilizing resources to assist those affected and ensure public safety. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available. This earthquake serves as a stark reminder of the region's seismic activity and the importance of preparedness in mitigating such natural disasters. India ready to offer assistance following earthquake in Myanmar and Thailand in response to the devastating 7 magnitude earthquake that struck Myanmar and Thailand. India has expressed its readiness to provide assistance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conveyed deep concern for the affected regions and emphasized India's commitment to support its neighbors during this crisis. Key points from the report include immediate response. PM Modi stated that India stands ready to offer all possible assistance to both countries. Preparedness. The Prime Minister has instructed Indian authorities to be on standby to respond effectively to any requests for help. Diplomatic support. The Ministry of External Affairs, MIA, has been directed to remain in close contact with Myanmar and Thailand to coordinate relief efforts. As the situation evolves, India's proactive stance highlights the importance of regional solidarity in times of natural disasters. Further updates will follow as more information becomes available. That's all for now. Please press like, share and subscribe this channel for more updates and other developmental news.